metal content, and we're gonna see who's gonna win. So we don't know which things we're gonna do to make this. So we're gonna get started right now.
Here. Yeah, it's tricky. It's really tight. I wonder who does the packaging. Mel Chemistry. Usually it says it on the front what the experiment is, but they put it over here on the side. Metal contest. Okay. Oh wow.
This one we're gonna do.
Let's see. Metal contest. I can't see. Hold on. I think that one. Wait. Yeah, that one. We'll do an etching another time.
We need a video to do.
We can do the video here. You know what? We want to see a trick? Oh, let's see. See? Now, let's see, and it tells you which one. Metal contest. Duration, 30 minutes. Wow, it's going to be kind of tight, but we can do this.
We
got this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go.
But we have to do the experiment first, but it takes 30 minutes.
We'll make it. This is a short experiment. Plus, I'll speed it up. I'll help you.
Blue salt.
Oh, wow. Interesting. The spoon doesn't fit in there. Yeah, blue sulfate, not sulfate.
It doesn't fit in there?
No, you would think it would. But anyway, we'll do it the way they say to do it. Here, hold this. Hold the spoon. Oops. See? That's fine. All right. Okay, voila. You did it. All right, just don't drop it. Is that okay, Evan?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm going to drop the spoon in. Wait a second. I'm going to check my flow.
It does, doesn't it? All right. So we did that. 4 milliliters of water. Okay. But I'll tell you when. You just pull it out. Hold that like that. Oh, you have to hold the syringe. Hold that and then pull it. Yeah. So let's see. Sometimes it's best to take a lot. Right? Hold it straight. Hold this. And then push it in so the rest of the water goes in and you stop it at 4. Voila. See? Now, where does this go? Okay. Wait, before we do that, hold this. Let's just close this lid because we don't need that anymore. Right?
Okay.
Okay, Tilly, we'll put the 4 in. Push it. All of it. You gotta push it. Slow and gentle. It's not a race. Remember, these are chemicals. They're gonna do what they need to do when the time comes. You can do it. You can do it. Press it. Okay. Now, let's see.
Get an extra one. Can I shake it now?
Well, we have to follow the direction. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, now give it to your sister. Let Tilly shake.
It's all blue.
Yeah, it's changing color, right?
Shake for 1 minute. 34, 43, 42, 41.
Here we go. Ding. You did it. 1 minute. Ding. Good job, Tilly.
Put it in the hole.
The movies.
Can I do it because you did the other one? And I'm going to do this.
Yes. Ivy will do the next one. Okay, open vial. Okay, we open the vial. Now this part gets tricky because now that it's open, we'll just leave it there, right? Place another vial.
I want to place it.
There you go. Place it in the placeholder.
Be careful.
Yeah,
I'm going to do it separate.
Okay, that works well because we're not going to put in another one because sometimes we have to follow directions, but sometimes you don't. Sometimes you can use your common sense.
Space.
Okay, here's the green bottle. We're going to pour the red into the green and mix it. Sticks chemicals because most kids they won't understand. Kids don't understand.
Because
You understand, but not everyone's like you, so I should just stick to the correct words, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so? I think you're right. Don't shake it. It didn't say shake, it said put it in. That's why I have to stand over you. Is it empty? Yes or no? Let's do a little bit more.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, now it's empty.
Looks like different because
Billy, you can do this one, okay?
This one.
Okay. Alright, go and then push it on so it goes tight. Oh, don't drop the bottle. You felt the except her glove got stuck. Car glove closed on there. We don't want that, right?
Yeah. You lose it if you snap it on your finger.
No, we don't want that.
But
No, not
finger
lose it.
might.
You'll lose the glove. And that's dangerous. If you were working in the laboratory and your finger got nipped, you'd have to probably go for a wash or something. Because these chemicals are fine. But if it was in the lab.
What's a lab? But good thing
The
my
science
finger
room.
is small.
Oops, sorry, Sally. Probably doesn't work with gloves. It needs body heat. There. Shake it for 20 seconds. Like this. Oh, not really pour. You have to squeeze it into it. Ready? Squeeze. Oh, so that's why we put it together. Matches that one. Ready? Know when it matches, okay, Ivy?
No.
Does it match?
I think.
Yeah, it matches.
It does. It does.
Okay, good. Matches. Oh, it has the same.
Yep.
Put
I
it
make
on
sure
that.
with my finger so I don't.
Okay.
If it does.
Thank you, Tilly. All right, let's see what happens next.
We're going to take a zinc rod and put it in these two vials.
Ivy chose that one.
I'll choose the blue one.
Chili chose the blue one.
Because I like blue.
Let's see what happens next. Take a picture.
Oh, mine's getting bigger. Tilly, come look at mine. We're 10 years old. And we're 12. Yeah. Just joking, we're 5. Huh. Yeah, we can do these experiments. With my dad. What's that with Dad? But he doesn't have any gloves. He's older than 12. He's dead. 44. You said 40, but it's 44. 1 minute. 1 minute. 14, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, looks like it's an experiment. You're done. So we'll leave it here and see what happens later, okay?
So this one too. So we want. Remember to subscribe. We had to leave early because we're going to see. Gotta go.